Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy A16 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to change notification sound in your phone Samsung Galaxy A16 5G. Suppose if you would like to change current notification sound, yes, you can do it. What you have to do is just go to the settings of your phone first. Go to settings and then go to sounds and vibration here. And select here notification sound, and here this line space this one space line will be the current notification sound. As of now this ringtone is set, this notification sound is set. Okay, suppose if you would like to change notification sound, what you have to do is select any other. Okay, so just I select any other here. Okay, I just click on vintage. Okay, so if this is final, just to go back. Okay, after selecting, just to go back, and that will be set as present notification sound. Okay, so notification sound has been changed. So in this way you can easily change notification sound in your phone Samsung Galaxy A16 5G. That's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.